Hello everybody. Today we are going to be working on making some Buddhas. So I'm going to pull up Clip Studio, and before we get to this, I'll show you how to make that document first. And you can do this in any of your preferred digital art softwares, but the process towards creating the template might be a little bit different in each case. So we want to make a square document. Doesn't have to be crazy resolution. 350 dpi is fine for what we're doing here. The goal is eventually to make 12 of these little squares that we can then put into a big mega square of 4 by 4 of these, and that would lead us to 108 little Buddhas, which, if you are familiar with the Buddhist literature, is an important number. You often see it on prayer beads and whatnot. So first things first, let's get ourselves a nice colored background, and then we'll get ourselves a raster layer. Okay, so next we're going to pull up the grid, and we want it to be a nice square, so we want to make sure that we're 2 points away. So if your grid does not look like this, that's fine. I'll show you how to do it in just a moment. Okay, so you can go to grid ruler settings. These are what my settings are. Going from the top, from the center, it doesn't matter which one, as long as it's 100 pixels by 100 pixels with 4 divisions. Okay, and again, 2 from the top, and snap to grid. Don't forget to snap to grid. Yep, snap to grid again. Okay, cool. We're going to then make some nice lines on our vector layer. So that would be 1. Okay, so we're starting right here. That's good. There we go. 1, 2, 2. Okay. So if you can see, in order to get that, this is going to be the same for the whole vertical as well. 1, 2 from this, and then 2 of these full blocks, and then 2 more. And that's going to be the same for here. So 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright. Oh, yeah. And we don't want to make these into folders. At least I'm not doing them as folders right now. Don't think it's really necessary for our purposes. So cool. We've got a nice square with 9 squares inside of it. Cool. Let's put our background back on before I make you all hate me. Okay. We can then remove the grid if you so desire, or at least remove the snap to. And now we have some fun. We got a few options for what we want to do. And what I'm going to do is essentially just very simple. I'm going to pull up, I'm going to do mine in black and white. So I've got my oil paint, let's do oil paint flat brush. Ooh, nice. That's cool. That's fun. Alright, we want to make a Buddha in meditation, so let's do that. We're going to make 9 of these. Oh my god. I swear I'm better at meditating than I am at art. Oh, I just realized. Made a mistake. Okay, maybe. No, wait, that's alright, that's alright. We can paint outside the margins. Okay, let's go. Let's go with white now. See how that looks. And another thing that you might want to explore is timing yourself. So let's say I want to make 9 Buddhas in 9 minutes. That was a fun thing that I was doing earlier to generate just some quick little sketchy ideas. And then if I want to delete the stuff on the outside of this, I just go to the layer below, and then just say invert selection. Oh, wrong one. Don't invert. Re-invert. Whoops. Over here. There we go. Oh, wrong one. Now we invert. No. Actually, this is strange. It shouldn't be deleting anything outside. Maybe there's a hole somewhere. Okay, let's do close gap. Deselect. There we go. That's what we want. That's almost what we want. That's what we want. Okay, cool. And delete. Sweet. Very clean. Now, another way to do this would be to do what I had done, which was make folders for each one. And that is easy if you're on a very simple kind of tablet. But this is a potential, for what it could look like. There's all sorts of different things here, all sorts of different styles. It's a good way of just running through a bunch of the different tools that you have. So sort of refamiliarizing yourself with the whole gamut of things that we might overlook or might forget about as far as how we can make images look interesting in general. And so yeah, it's a good way of reminding yourself what is available on the digital medium and to make use of it in a fun way. So I encourage you to try this out yourself if you get the chance. And we could do clouds. What if that's possible? Oh. If I was doing a timed run, I'd be rushing to enlightenment right now. Let's not do that. Okay, there we go. Ooh. I like the Keith Haring look on things like this. It keeps things pretty light and playful. You can do a little Emanata. I don't want to make him look like he smells though. Yeah, there you get a better idea. Let's do this one. Weird. Yeah, so you get the idea. And the idea is that this is maybe just a warm-up that you can do for 9 minutes before you do anything else, or if you don't know what you really want to draw. This is just sort of a centering exercise. And like I said, the end result can be really cool. Like I'm hoping to, like this is a full page that's decently interesting, but it'll be really interesting when I have way more of these, and they're so much more diverse, and you can really fill up like a background or something like that with highly individual and idiosyncratic little Buddhas. And so it's sort of like a visual mantra, which I would encourage any and all to try. So yeah, that's what I've got for you. I'd love to see what you make of it. Till next time, y'all take it easy, and yeah, enjoy your lives.